In this video, I will be answering the question what ND filters do, why you need to use them in your videos, and I will be sharing video samples using them and without using them so that you can compare and contrast. So now, ND filters control the intensity of light before it reaches the camera sensor. Why is that important? This is important because it lets you dial in the most appropriate settings for the outcome that you want to achieve. Even in bright light, it becomes a possibility without the fear of ever getting overexposed. In my own language, I call this aperture freedom. Freedom to use any aperture, even in bright light. This freedom gives you the power to guide your viewer's eye inside the frame. It lets you make people focus on a tiny subject by highlighting it, by making the depth shallow. So you highlight tiny subject with depth and people are able to focus on it. Things viewers would have overlooked because they were so tiny or lost in the frame, they become the main subject. Your message is now able to arrive home quicker. Close the aperture a tiny bit and the background is partially blurred. Close it further and everything comes into focus. You are able to showcase the entire frame or a subject on the frame or a landscape maybe or a property or a subject within the frame without an ND filter. Bright light and wide apertures result in overexposed videos. Compensating by closing the aperture result in everything getting in focus and competing for attention. Tiny subject will end up lost in the frame, but with ND filters, aperture becomes a tool to increase or decrease depth as need be, and a tool for efficiency and effectiveness. And that is the reason why I feel using any aperture in bright light, you are able to see the world from a different perspective, highlight the subject in a very specific manner, and that is what will make your videos stand out.
JM Photography, KC Imagement.